So, hello viewers, moving on to the next question in this series of Get 225 electrical solutions from subject General Aptitude. These are 2 marks MCQ type based on some data interpretation, basically DI, based on statistics, taking average or mean, median, all those things. Right? So, let's move to the solution to this question. Question is given as scores obtained by 2 students P and Q in 7 courses given in the table below. This table, based on the information given in the table, which one of the following statements is incorrect? Mine incorrect, not correct. So P and Q scores are given 20-35, 89-65, 50-60, 45-56, 78-81, 60-45, 39-50. And the options are given as option A, average score of P is less than the average score of Q, median score of P is same as the median score of Q, difference between the maximum and minimum scores of P is greater than the difference between the maximum and minimum scores of Q, and median score and the average score of Q are same. So let's explore the options one by one. ये क्वेश्चन को चेक करना पड़ेगा. Let's do that. Average score of P. So P bar will be what? Summation P by N. Summation P means what? Yeah, 22 plus. We have to add all the numbers given inside P. And the marks of students. Number of marks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you can, you have to calculate this. थोड़ा सा calculate तो है. You have to calculate this. No other option. 20 plus 89, 111, 161, 206, 284, and 344 and whatever. 89 is 111, 161, 206. Right. (206), 284 and 383, whatever. Some value it will be anyway. So 383 is coming, 383 is 7. Some value it will be whatever. 54 or something. It's 86 with it. Average score of Q have to calculate similarly. Q bar equal to summation Q by N. 35, 65, 60, 56, 81, 45 and 50 again divided by 7. तो कैलकुलेट करना है हमें 35, 65, 100, 160, 216, 297, 342 and 392. 392 is 56. Right. So the average scores of P is less than the average score of Q. So this one is correct. This is correct, not incorrect. Incorrect is asked. So this is not the correct option. Right? Yes. Move to option B. Median score of P. Median score of P means we arrange the scores in ascending order. Ascending order 22. After that we have 45. Sorry. 22, 39, 45, 22, 39, 45, 50, 60, 78 and 89. And for Q similarly, ascending order में arrange करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 35, 45, 50, 56, 60, 65 and last but not least 81. Right. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या लिखेगा? Median score of P is what? That is 7 odd number of numbers. So the middle one, the fourth one, will be the median. So 50 in this case. The median of P. And the median of Q will be what? Again the middle number. 7 numbers are odd numbers are there. Odd number of numbers. 56. So the median score of P is 15 while the median score of Q is 56. So they are not same, of course. But here it is written same, which is wrong. The statement is incorrect. But what in the question what is asked? Which of the statement is incorrect? So this is an incorrect statement. So this will be the answer. Let's check other options also. बाकी options भी एक बार check कर लेते हैं क्या होगा. डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम स्कोर्स ऑफ पी, मैक्सिमम मिनिमम स्कोर्स ऑफ पी क्या है 22 और 18 का डिफरेंस, तो क्या हो जाएगा 89 माइनस 22 मतलब कितना हो गया 67, और डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम स्कोर्स ऑफ क्यू जो क्या हो जाएगा 81 माइनस 35, राइट, ये वाली डिफरेंस, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 46, तो 46 और 67, तो 67 is greater than 46. Difference between the minimum and maximum scores of P is 67, which is greater than the minimum difference between the minimum and maximum scores of Q, which is 46. So this one is correct. This is not the incorrect statement. Again. And lastly, last option भी check कर लेते हैं, कर ही रहे हैं तो option D में median score and average score of Q are the same. Median score of Q as calculated is 56. Sorry, average score. Mean score of Q as calculated earlier was 56. Mean or average score. And the median score also calculated as 56. By taking the middle number among the in the set. So as we can see, they are same. Average or mean value was 56 and median is also 56. So median score and the average score of Q are same. So this is also correct. So only incorrect statement among these is B. Median score of P is same as median score of Q, whereas median score of P is 50 and median score of Q is 56. So they are not same. This option is incorrect. This statement is incorrect. And as it is asked here that which of the statements is incorrect, so the correct option for this question is option B. I have explained all the calculations, like all the steps by finding the average and the median of P and Q, marks obtained by students P and Q, and analyzed, explored all the options one by one, and found that option B is the correct. Hope the solution is clear. If you still have any doubts or queries, please ask in the comments. And that's all for the solution to this question. Thank you.